Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have crypto market and Bitcoin. Do we expect a huge crash like many people are saying? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits. And of course, we have the best crypto trading system out there. Try it out. I am a very small channel right here and I need your help with and of course the comment section, which boosts the algorithm and can get more views. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now. So Bitcoin, I will be honest with you, Bitcoin does not look good in the 4-hour frame in the short term. Okay, so here is the last support level before we just go down, because this is the last survivor of the huge support levels. If we fall down, then we are going to get down into the next price targets, which can be even below the 27k, going back down to the 26.5k, and maybe even going further down. Now, the thing about Bitcoin is that it is bullish in the higher time frames, but in the lower time frames, yeah, I was a little bit actually scared about it, because I was thinking that in the weekly scale we would go higher. In this week right here, it would be a very bullish week and we would go higher. However, the case was not that we would be so bullish. Anyway, 27.4k, the last support level remaining for Bitcoin before we have a huge correction. Now, if we draw the fib from the bottom to the top, you can see that we didn't actually manage to close above the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. This is usually pretty bad. When you do not do that in the 4-hour frame, you go from the bottom to the top right here, you do not close above, neither in the 4-hour frames. This is usually for the correction to come in and to go even lower. Okay, so perhaps the case is right here that we are going to lose the 27.4k. Unfortunately, this is the case right now for BTC, and this is the case for the crypto market. We do not have any huge support level in the lower time frames right here once we drop down from the 27.4k, but I'm willing to draw the fib from this bottom to this top right here. You can see that we did it again and we went all the way up higher, right? We closed below here, we went all the way up higher, but right now we got a clear rejection. Lower time frames are not in our favor, and I'm not so optimistic that we can make it back to the 27.8k, which is the major resistance level and the pivot point. Okay, 27.8k for Bitcoin. You can see that we got rejected once we get there, and then the correction started and kicked in, and I really hope that we could be closing above here. Okay, but honestly, for me personally, it is very likely that we test the 26k. All right, I do not want to scare you out, but on the 26k it could be the case that we go all the way down here. In the meantime, I hope that I am wrong about it. I would really like to see that Bitcoin would be forming right here a type of bullish pennant, but in the 4-hour frame, it doesn't seem like Bitcoin wants to go up right now in order to form a bullish pennant in the 4-hour frame. Ethereum right now is holding pretty fantastically and pretty strong enough. It is actually pretty strong, because right here you can see that we are getting a little bit of a higher lows, lower highs, a triangle formation. Can Ethereum make it above or not? We will find out pretty soon enough. I think that if Bitcoin crashes down, Ethereum won't manage to make it, and Ethereum actually is now it is outperforming Bitcoin because of the 4-hour frame. For Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we had here the triangle. We seem like that we break all the way upwards, but we need something more. If we have the crash of Bitcoin, I'm not sure that even if Ethereum explodes, I'm not sure that Ethereum will be keeping up into the price target. But anyway, if Ethereum against Bitcoin chart goes even higher and Bitcoin stabilizes a little bit or goes upwards as well, then Ethereum could manage to go to 1875, okay, and Bitcoin could manage to make it above the 27.8k, which seems a very unlikely scenario for now. I think that we are going to have the correction coming in, and of course into the weekly chart, into the higher time frames, we are still bullish. Okay, do not get disappointed by that. It is a pretty much of a bearish month starting for May, -6%, nothing special though, but for the altcoins it was a huge short, because many altcoins bleed right now because of the Bitcoin's dominance as well. Anyway, it could be the case that we go towards the 26K. If we go towards the 26K, should you be worried about it? Not at all. Perhaps if we can close above the 28.1K again, then we can see Bitcoin flying. Okay, perhaps if we do that, then we can see Bitcoin flying towards the 31,000. But because the most probable scenario is that we go down, that's why I'm saying mostly the support levels. In case that we close above the 27.8K into the 4-hour frame as well, then things are going to get pretty bullish for Bitcoin. And it seems like here we got a head and shoulders pattern, right? This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right here. Could be the case that we go all the way down and we get rejected. Anyway, I hope for the best into the next days that's coming for Bitcoin. For now, it doesn't seem so strong into the 4-hour frame. Ethereum seems stronger, but Ethereum has crashed down, has fallen down from the triangle right here, and right now it tends to get rejected, so be a little bit careful about that as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription on Patreon or buy me a coffee. Links in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.